everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Deja Vu Nails, but as y'all know, we also do resin. So if you go onto Facebook, my group is Resin Molds and More by Deja Vu. So I do have my resin molds on there. I have, little videos like this, and I like to talk to you guys. That's kind of like my place where I can socialize with y'all. So I love doing that. I do love to add some videos on here with resin. So if y'all ever want to see anything specific, put it in the comments below and I can try to do a resin tutorial on it, or just kind of do like a watch me work type of thing. So with this set, I actually got this domino mold in, and these are actually going to be offered on my site. So if you want this domino mold, let me know in the comments. Go join the Facebook group and ask me about it, and I will get this sent out to you guys. It is such a good domino mold, and I'm actually working with the company that supplies them, and they are offering to have them in my store for you guys. So I don't do silicone myself, but this company, they're just such a nice company that they're wanting to let me have them in my store for you guys. Since I don't offer silicone, then this is kind of my alternative to it, is to get you guys quality molds. And that way y'all can have them available to y'all too. So anyways, on with what I'm doing. Do not roast me for not using gloves here. I've been doing resin for I think 8 years. And whenever I do a video, I find that for some reason I'm so clumsy with the camera that whenever I have gloves on, I just, excuse my language, I fuck everything up. So I know how to pour resin without getting it on my skin. Now I'm not suggesting that you do this at home. I'm not going to be an advocate for your safety as far as what you should do, what you shouldn't do. Do what you're comfortable doing for you and what you feel is your safety. You do it. Don't roast me for mine, because this is me just trying to do a video so that y'all can see what I do. And I am very extremely careful with it. No resin comes in contact with my skin, and I'm just very safe with it. Anyways, so on with the video. I am gonna go ahead and tell you guys that if y'all comment in the comments and tell me what y'all did for Christmas, then I'm gonna go ahead and add y'all to the drawing. I have a drawing, actual thing that I'm gonna put up tomorrow, either tomorrow, maybe Sunday. I think I might do it Sunday, because I was supposed to put this up yesterday and I didn't. I had a lazy day. Well, actually I didn't. I worked all damn day, and then I did nails, and then I passed out. So that was my day yesterday. It was about 14 hours of work. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on here that if y'all comment down below, be sure and subscribe and like and turn on that notification. Comment below that you subscribed, but also tell me what y'all did for Christmas, and I will put y'all in the drawing to win one of two packages. I have a nail supply package, and then I also have a resin supply package. So resin is going to be, some of my molds and stuff, and then the nail supplies is going to be some nail supplies that I've gathered, some of my own, but then also some others that I've gathered. So be sure and don't miss out. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me, what y'all did for Christmas, and be sure and do that so that I can add y'all in that giveaway. So as y'all see here, I am doing, this is a 10-minute resin now that I'm through half the video. So the other resin that I used was a clear resin. It takes about 24 hours to cure. So what I did was I let that cure, and then this is a 10-minute resin, and it gets really messy really freaking fast. As you see, I tried to do that last little bit in that, and it got hard. So I ended up having to remeasure, and, you know, just finish up the last little bit of it. And you'll see here, now with 10-minute resin, if you don't know, now you know, any kind of color that you add to it's going to turn it to the pastel of the color. So see how neon pink that is? Well, look at how it turns out. It ends up turning into like a very pastel pink. So, but it's still so much fun. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video, and I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for being here. Be sure and comment. Let me know what y'all did for Christmas so I can get you on that drawing. Let me know if y'all subscribed, and I will let y'all enjoy the rest of this. Talk to y'all later. Okay, so this is me just popping out the pieces. You could definitely dome the back. You could put your own little logo and then dome the back, and that would be pretty cute too. All I did here, and my cat tries to jump in on the photo or on the video. What I did here was I went ahead and I used white gel polish because I'm a weirdo and I do nails. But you can use, you know, a number of different colors, a number of different types of paints, and, you know, paint in the dots. What I did was I used white gel, and then I did a little clear gel to hold it in there real good. And it worked for me. But you guys can definitely do whatever works for you. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.